So Mr. James William. So congratulations, Mr. James William. We are contacting through via email and yes, this is the USB Type C cable, and this support are fast charging. Guys, you love the Samsung Galaxy Watch series or not? Explain me in comment below. And now finally this is our watch, and I show how the watch is looking so much premium. The quality of the strap is so much good, high quality strap was using, and this is the this we remove the plastics, and uh, the Galaxy was looking so much cool, so much super. How I cannot say with my words, I cannot say more and more, because guys, how I say there are the less. And let's see the watch. It's so much cool, so much beautiful, and this is the make the premium of the watch. They have the so many theme which you can the change, and this is our main features. Okay guys, I hope so you will be really enjoyed the video guys, but I talk